Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview Bestway Power Steel Swim Vista Pool Set and 1,500 gallons per hour filter pump. The Bestway 18 by 9 foot by 48 inch Power Steel Swim Vista Pool Set is a luxury above-ground pool that has all the fun of a personal pool. Built of a durable steel tube frame with built-in viewing windows and minimal tool assembly. The steel frame sections lock together easily, while the heavy-duty PVC and polyester sidewalls keep your pool water. This pool comes with a filter pump, a 48-inch ladder, cover, ground cloth, maintenance kit, repair patch, and an instructional DVDs with information on setting up your pool and maintaining it. Product benefits. ChemConnect chemical dispenser replaces the need for a traditional floating chemical cleaner. A flow-controlled drain valve provides a simple solution for emptying the excess water. Minimal tools are required to install this pool. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.